Good morning, everybody. First thing I'm going to do is file a complaint. The wind is howling out of the north. You guys up north, please turn them fans off. Wind chill is 25 degrees at my house. And that's just too cold. This is the first real winter we've had in years. We used to have this every year, and we got used to it. Then we got used to the warm winters, and we don't like it. So it's cold. It's so bad windy and cold outside. I got to get out and cut this Damascus and get some, but I can't get out there in it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and install the milling bias. Now set it up there. The swivel base makes it too tall for my little vise. So I took it off, and this will be fine. I don't have to have the swivel vise. I'll wrap this up in the oil it and wrap it up and save it, and I'm sure I'll find something with it. Now when I set it up there, the first thing I did was cut my hand. These edges are very, very, very sharp. So I'm just going to take my file, very gently knock this edge off all the way around. And this is a very good vise, very nice. But I guess everything comes with things you got to do to it. Now this is a piece of scrap 320 sandpaper. I'm just going to ease those edges off just a little bit. I don't want to take any material off, so, except for the sharp edges. Because I don't like cutting myself and bleeding. Just like that, we'll okay, that feels much better. That sharp burr is going off of there now. Let's see, let's get this side over here. If you can get cut, scratched, banged up, I am the world champion at that. So alright, just about there. Now I've already set it up on the table on the milling machine without the vise, and that's going to work just fine. Now it is a little bit much for a mini mill, but the bigger the better, the way I see it. It'll fit, it'll work. There we go. Now I'm not worried about cutting myself now. Now let me move the camera around. We'll get over here to the machine. and we'll get it set on there and mounted and see what it looks like. Alrighty, we got everything prepped, everything ready. Let's set the vise on there. Now when I remove the bottom plate, the swivel plate, it lightened it up a good bit. Not quite as heavy. And would you look at that? Alright, gotta find some longer bolts. Hang on. Alright, got some longer bolts here. See if those are going to work. Let's see. Yep, I believe that's going to work. Let's tighten up the other side. I'm just going to loosely put them on there right now. And then we'll try to square it up the best we can. Alright, I see right now I'm going to need a couple more washers. These are a little bit longer. Hang on. Alright, there we go. Got some more washers on there. I took my little square and I've got it about the only way I figure out how to do this is just eyeball it. I think it is pretty square right where it's at. Tighten this side. There we go. Now, got the drill chuck on there right now. Let's see, we got, I know it's heavy, but it moves freely. So this gives me room to put a drill bit if I want to drill holes. But when I put a collet chuck in there, the end mill holder or a collet chuck, it'll actually be down about here. So I have plenty of room to move back and forth. Like that. So this is going to work out very good. Now we'll put the handle here. I'll show you the handle. So it puts up in there. I can come down here and I can move it out. The XY. And if I need to, I can always take these bolts loose and move it out, which I may have to do, but we'll just see. Each job will be different. So there you go. Now I've been really busy this morning. I sold a few knives, which is very, very good. selling more knives means that we can buy some more tools. Alright, there we go. Milling vise is installed. Now, thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support. I'm probably going to go in for today because it is, I'm telling you, it is so cold. Even with the heat running in the shop, it's cold. That wind is so bad, so I'm not going to be able to get anything productive done. So we'll try again tomorrow and see what happens. Once again, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see y'all in the next couple of days.